Part 29, Building Out Rooms in the JesusVerse. This part 29 of JesusVerse, the movie and vision, the 100-part movie Jesus is making, and I'm helping him with, transitions me, to understanding what the JesusVerse is and what Jesus world building is and how to do it and why to do it, by documenting the actual building out of rooms, actual rooms within my Jesus Greg world in the JesusVerse, not the metaverse. The previous movie parts laid down many of the concepts and beliefs that set the framework for me to understand the theory side, the perspective, the story elements of how Jesus is going to have me sacredly imagine my Jesus Greg world and its many parts. The movie parts coming up will take that theory and apply it in actual building out of specific mind-heart trainings in my Jesus Greg world. Part 30, which will come up next, focuses on the bathroom room. You and I are about to see some of the nuts and bolts and actual steps that are involved in building out actual rooms in my Jesus Greg world. But the bathroom won't be the only room. In the coming months and years, Jesus will have me document the building of many more of the virtual and physical spaces, rooms within my Jesus Greg world. And that is not all. I will document in film, in the movie parts ahead, the particular scenes that Jesus will have me rehearse and perform within the respective rooms, along with the multitude of memories that Jesus thereby is having me activate within given scenes, within given rooms. And in the forthcoming movies, I will also report on the results, that is the fruit, that is expected and resulting from these particular trainings, retrainings, activities, changes in my heart and my mind within my Jesus Greg world. One last thing. Here forward, you're about to see each part of JesusVerse, the movie and vision, the 100-part movie, cascade. That is, each movie part here forward will have many subparts with their own individual link. This will allow me to make shorter and more briefer segments. For example, in the upcoming movie part 30, building out the born again room, the first part of the movie sets the stage for building out the bathroom room, starting first with the shower curtain. So that's what you're going to see on this movie number 30, part 30, but then you'll see subparts as well. You will see in this first bathroom movie how Jesus has me build augmented reality into the shower curtain. However, you will notice that the movie ends right after the second concept, the second frame of the storyboard on the shower curtain is explained. There are additional subsequent concepts and storyboard frames that I will present in subsequent subparts of part 30. So I think you're going to see part 30A, part 30B, part 30C, and so forth. These will be presented over time. The same is true with regards to the other parts of the bathroom, the shower itself, the tub, the sink, the toilet, the toothbrush, and whatever else the Lord has me build with and towards in the bathroom room of my Jesus Greg world. Thus, part 30 may eventually have hundreds of subparts that describe the different parts in the room, but also the particular scenes, how those things are portrayed as we build that out. The same is true for part 31 and so forth. In other words, we have come to the part of JesusVerse, the movie and vision, the 100-part movie, where there's going to be a great expansive opening to all of my Jesus Greg world. It's many rooms and many functions. So I thought we're just going to do 100 movies, but it turns out we are. But these movies going forward are going to have many parts. So there's going to